I started making greeting cards, and people just loved them. I mean, I don't know exactly how and why. I can't even recall the first time I bought some cardstock to use for one of my photographs. I don't remember exactly.
Why did it make you happy?
Because they were good, and because they looked beautiful, and others thought so too. And maybe that's more important than even what I thought. And Raleigh was very, very supportive. I mean, he just, he brags about me all the time when it comes to this subject, and makes me feel good. And it's an outlet for me to see nature, to make it come alive to other people, and to make other people enjoy what I enjoy seeing. And I see things, I think, as I take photographs that a lot of people just don't see. I mean, you're the same, Todd. You see how things should be set up. The way you look at things makes your photographs beautiful, just like it does for me. And it's something that's in your nature, I think. I've been seriously thinking about doing more, like making enlargements, selling them at craft and art sales, and I've done a few of those, but I have sort of decided that that's a lot of work. And I'm not really wanting to do an awful lot of work. I want to do it for my own pleasure more than for trying to make money, because quite frankly, all I've done more than make money is spend it.
Think of it as building an archive.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be about you selling things to people, but it will be something that you leave to your children and grandchildren,
Mm-hmm.
that I will make sure is preserved forever, and that this is your artwork. So this is something that
Can be shared
that will go on
down the road. Yeah.
I mean, that will be seen, that will be used, that will be understood as your work.
Yeah. I like to make something with my feelings and my hands, and make something beautiful out of what's inside of me. So I will continue to do that.